Hey there guys, how's it going? I'm Infizzle, and this is going to be my second part of the Whoopee tutorials video section. This is going to be recipes, so let's just go ahead and get started. Public void FML initialization event is where this is going to go. It's going to go between this. Most of your stuff will go between this. So we're going to go ahead and put it in here where it belongs, and we're going to type game registry dot add recipe, and let me actually get rid of my things because I accidentally kept them in there. Recipe parentheses new item stack parentheses item dot pickaxe diamond, and then we're going to go outside of that parentheses, and you're going to do comma space new object bracket, go outside of the bracket, hit put a curly bracket, hit enter there, hit enter there, and then it should look like this once you're done, except that would be not there for you guys. Alright, so it should look like this once you're done. You're going to have some errors, but it should all in all be like this. So we have to import game registry, import item stacks, and the item, we also have to import that, but we're going to import net.minecraft.src1. So that brings this up. And right here, we're going to put, between the two curly brackets, we're going to put quotations XXX, comma space quotations XXX, comma space quotations XXX, comma space, not quotations but the same button. I forget what those little things are called, and then you're going to put an X in there as well, comma space block dot dirt, and that one imports it automatically for you, so you don't have to worry about that one. So that basically what this does, it's giving me, alright, there we go. Basically what this does is it's game registry, so it's registering the new recipe, add recipe, item stack, so it's item dot pickaxe, so it's the item that it's registering that we're making is a diamond pickaxe, and then here is the crafting grid, the 3x, the 3 sets of 3, which creates the 9 by 9 for the crafting grid. So this one here is the top row, the middle one is the middle row, and this one is the bottom row. And you can also put it like this if you want, if it makes it easier for you. You can put it like this, and that's kind of showing you another crafting grid perspective, but it works kind of, it makes it a slimmer design when you do it the other way. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and it's being made, so the X's are the crafting grid, so all 9 are being filled up because there's an X there. If we didn't want it filled, we would put a space where the X is, and it's filling it up with the X. So this is the character that it's registering, so it's registering the X as a block dot dirt. So dirt is this. So we're gonna go ahead and play this, and we're gonna start up the server, or the Minecraft, and I'm gonna expand this a little bit so you guys can see it. And we're gonna go single player, that's my old world, create a new world, and we're gonna create it. And we're gonna wait and wait and wait, and alright, we're in. So let's go get our chest, give us a few tools, some wood, some sticks, some wood, some tools. Alright, so let's make a crafting table right off the bat, and we're gonna get 9 dirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we're going to take this 9 and we're going to put it in the crafting grid like so. And it's going to fill it up, and that's going to give us 1 diamond pickaxe. So this right here just made it so that when we fill up the grid, it gives us 1 diamond pickaxe. When we fill it up with dirt, it gives us 1 diamond pickaxe. So as you saw, I got a diamond pickaxe from that. Let's go ahead and create another one. So this one, we're going to just go down some. Game registry dot add recipe. Dang, my typing is bad. Parentheses new item stack item dot shovel and diamond. Go here, comma space object new object bracket, enter, bam, bang, boom, and there. So now everything is set up, and we're making a diamond shovel this time. So we're just going to copy this. We're going to paste this here. So we have the exact same crafting. But what we want to do is we want to change this. So I'm going to get rid of the middle one, the middle X, and each of these. And what I'm going to do is backspace and then throw a space in there. And that's signifying that there's nothing there. So it's going to be all the way down the sides on both sides. So it's going to 6 dirt, and it's going to give us a diamond shovel. So let's go ahead and go test that real fast while my Minecraft is starting. I'm going to send a text, cheeseburgers. So we're going to go back to that single player world. Alright, let me finish. Alright, and we're going to get 6 dirt. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the crafting table, and like I said, 1 down every side, or all the way down each side, and that gives us a diamond shovel. So now we have a diamond shovel. Let's go ahead and dig down a little bit to get some cobblestone. So now we have cobblestone. Let's grab a few of these. And we're going to making a diamond pickaxe a little bit more complicated. So we have 7, 8, 9. Let's just get 9 of those. And we'll throw 1 dirt back so it's even. So now we got to make a different design for the diamond shovel. Or diamond axe. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to copy this and paste it because it works the exact same way. Paste it there. And then we're going to change the shovel diamond to axe diamond. And to change this from diamond, all you got to do is put whatever you want in there. So we'll make a steel. We'll make a steel axe. We'll make a steel axe. And then block.dirt. So in between these, let's put a capital C. So it's going to take 6 dirt and 3 cobblestone. So what we have to do is, now that we have 2 different letters here, we're going to have to make another one of these. So comma space, I just copied and pasted. You can do the exact same thing. And then we're going to change the X out for a C. And then we're going to change the block.dirt out for block.cobblestone. And then everything's set up, so we'll just go ahead and play. And we'll make the screen all the way big. Alright, and world is started. So like we said before, the way this one is made is 6 dirt, like so, and 3 cobblestone. And that gave us an iron pickaxe. So let's go ahead and get some wood, and we're going to make a little bit more complicated one this time. And I'm just doing this to show you guys the basics of getting this done, or the basics of setting this up. So let's go ahead and copy this, and you can have as many of these as you want. I'm actually going to get rid of these 3 to leave it kind of simple. And we're going to change this, and we're going to make the item we get, we're going to make the item diamond. So we're going to get item diamond. And then we're going to change the grid, the way it's set. So we're going to have X will be block dot dirt, or no, block dot stone. So X will be stone, and I'm actually going to change X to S so that I know it's stone. And then C will be cobblestone, and we'll make the next one log. So we'll change it to L. So now we just copy this, and then comma space, paste it, make this one L, block dot log. Alright, so that, see, it's easy. Uh-oh. What is it? Block dot, what's it called? It's block log. Block dot block log. Would that be it? Block dot log. Alright, we'll just make this block dot wood, and that should work. So now we're going to play it. And wood, I'm not sure whether wood is log or wooden planks. I think it's wooden planks. We'll check. So let's get back in the world. And we need 3 stone. So let me get some stone. So we need 3 stone, 3 cobblestone, and either 3 wood or 3 log. So let me actually make sure I have 3 wood and 3 log, just to check. So let's go ahead and try this out with log. Alright, so wood is log. Okay, so wood is log, which makes wooden plank. Wooden plank would be wooden plank, probably. So see how we have it here? 3 stone, 3 cobblestone, and 3 spruce wood gives us 1 diamond. So as you can see, the game registry, you know, all this stuff, creating the recipes is really easy. But now we're going to do a shapeless recipe. So we're going to do game registry dot add shapeless recipe, and this is set up the exact same way the old one is, other than that part. And we're going to make this item dot, or actually we'll make this one block dot furnace. Block furnace? What would it be? Block dot. Let's see. We'll make this one. We'll make this one sponge. So shapeless recipe block.sponge is what we'll be getting. So let's go out here. New object. That. Nothing in there. There. Alright, and then this one's a little bit different. This one is new item stack. So basically what you're just doing is you're listing what items you're going to be putting in there and what you're going to get. And then this one's going to be item dot bucket water, comma, space, new item stack. So we need at least 2. So we're going to do new item stack, and then we're going to do this one with three recipes is going to be needed. So it's going to be item stack parentheses item dot flour, or block dot flour, block dot flour. Alright, and then comma space, new item stack, block dot sand. So basically what I'm having it do is a bucket of water, a flour, and a sand makes a sponge. So what would this actually be put as? Would it be item dot, actually we'll make this one sandstone. Oh, that's block dot sandstone. So it's a bucket of water, sandstone, and sand. Or actually, we'll make this one clay because that makes sense. Block clay. So with a bucket of water, a block of clay, and a block of sand, we will get a sponge. So let's go get a block of clay, a bucket of water, and some sand. Alright. So we need game mode 1. Sand, clay, and a bucket of water. So then we're going to put this in the recipe any which way, it doesn't matter, and we get a sponge. So I can move this anywhere I want because that's what a shapeless recipe does. And then we get a sponge. So let's go test it. Water, water, water. Bam! See, I got a sponge. I got sponge. And for game mode 0, should let the sponge work. Oh, maybe not. Anyways, that's how you... I think I'm going to end this here because pretty much it's kind of easy to keep it going. Actually, I got to show one more that's here. So we're going to change this to item dot dye powder, and then it's going to be 1 comma, and then the 1 is signifying how many you get, so the comma after that is signifying the metadata. The metadata is like with dyes, there's 15 of them. So 15 I know is black. So we're going to do black. And we're going to change this. We're going to get rid of these. And we're going to leave this one. And we're going to put a comma there because there has to be a comma there. And it's item.bucket water. So we're going to change this to item dot, we'll make this one, what's a dark obsidian, or block dot obsidian, sorry, block dot obsidian, and then we'll play. And what this is doing is item dot dye powder, and it's giving us 1 of them, and it's giving us the 15, which is what is 15? 15 is black. It should be black. It may be red. 14 is red, I believe. Forward game mode 1. So we need a block of obsidian. And we're going to put it in there. And out 15's bone meal. So that means 14's black. 14's black. Now let's try it. I have this up actually. Oh, 0 is black, 1 is red. I had this backwards. 14 will give us orange. So 14 should give us orange. And there we go, orange dye. So you can go on and on with this, and it just keeps going. You don't really have to worry about how the things are put together in shapeless recipes. Just gotta worry about what name you give it. And yeah, so that's creating a recipe. If you need any help, leave a comment. Me and Whuppy Gaming are both watching the comments, and we'll help you out. So thanks for watching. The next one will be on... What will the next one be on? The next one will be on smelting. And then... Yeah, so the next one should be on smelting. Actually, I'm going to throw in Eclipse line numbers in here, because that's there as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, or Window, Preferences. Which one is it? It's hand itches. It's one of the ones that says text. I'm trying to find it. General? Yeah, it's under General, Editors, Text Editors, and then Show Line Numbers. And then you're going to click Apply, and see it brought up the line numbers here. This will allow you to know where a screw up is. So if we took that away and we tried to play it, it'll give us an error down here, and I'll show you what I mean by it'll give us an error. Alright, there we go. See, it gave us an error. And it says, fail ModLoader, client, Java, handle event 45. Oh, this one didn't show it. Usually they will show where the error is, but it will help you to find it. For some reason, I can't seem to find where it says it. Oh well. But that's how you throw those up there, and that'll help you. So let me put that back. And yeah, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.